In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the cursor of your mouse and Wacom pen on a Miro board. If you've ever experienced issues with your cursor jumping around or conflicting when using both a mouse and a Wacom pen, you're not alone. It can be quite frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of a creative project or an important meeting on Miro. But don't worry, there's a straightforward solution for this. Let's talk about the two modes that some Wacom models support. First, we have the pen mode. In this mode, your pen acts as a direct input device, which is ideal for drawing because it maps directly to the screen. This means wherever you place your pen on the tablet, the cursor will be precisely at that spot on your screen. It's like having an extended arm on your digital canvas. However, this mode can sometimes cause issues in Miro, especially when used alongside a mouse. Then, we have the mouse mode. In mouse mode, your pen functions more like a regular mouse. It doesn't map directly to your screen coordinates, but rather moves your cursor based on its movements, much like how a traditional mouse operates. While this might not be as intuitive for drawing, it's often found to be more stable in software like Miro that can struggle with dual input devices. Now, if you're experiencing cursor jumps or conflicts between your mouse and Wacom pen on Miro, a simple technique is to switch to mouse mode. This can be done through the Wacom settings or, on some models, by using the side button on your pen. To switch to mouse mode via the Wacom settings, first, open your Wacom tablet properties. You should see an option to select the mode for your pen input. If you're in pen mode, give mouse mode a try. Click on it and apply the changes. This switch is often the key to resolving those pesky cursor jumps and conflicts that can disrupt your workflow. If your Wacom pen has a side button, check if it's configured to switch between modes. Sometimes, a simple press of this button can toggle your pen from pen mode to mouse mode, providing immediate relief from any cursor issues. Many users have found that the mouse mode delivers better performance and stability in Miro. So, it's certainly worth exploring this option if you're tackling with cursor problems. Remember, these settings can always be adjusted back, giving you flexibility based on the task at hand. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should see a notable improvement in how your cursor behaves on Miro, allowing you to focus more on your work and less on technical hitches. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to give it a try during your next Miro session. Happy creating!